Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do head nods and head rotations in the commando position standing. So one of my favorite ways to do head nods and head rotations is in this position here on the forearms and the shins, or the forearms and the knees. And this is a great way to activate the vestibular system, to put some mobility in your neck and your spine. So if you'll notice where my eyes go, my head goes, and then my body follows. So I'm actually getting lateral flexion in my spine, turning my lats on. The head nods, they're turning the muscles of my back around my spine on. They're turning the muscles in my stomach on by going up and down. So they really just prime your body for movement. They activate and sharpen your reflexive strength. But maybe you can't get down on the ground, or maybe you don't always want to get down on the ground, but you still like how this feels. So one thing you can do is use the legs, your legs, as your ground. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna get into the outfield position here, like we're waiting for a pop fly, but not really, because we're not ready to move. But we're using our legs and our forearms to hold ourselves up. So now we've still got contact on the forearms, with the thighs here, and we're almost pretty much in the same position. So my chest is still tall, I'm not slumping over. And from here, we can do head nods here. And it's just the same thing, except I'm not on the floor and I'm standing. So there's actually a little bit extra benefit in this too, because I am making a total body connection. I'm using my structure to help pull off the movements that I want to do. And I can still look over my shoulders, try to find my back pockets. It's still eyes, head, and body. I'm still getting that lateral flexion in my spine. I'm still turning my lats on. I'm still turning the muscles of my spine on. And this feels almost just as good as doing it on the hands and knees. Only because I'm holding myself up and supporting here, the legs, I'm getting a little bit extra muscular activation. But that's it. This is a way to do the commando head nods and rotations while standing instead of getting down on the floor. Very similar and yet different. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. That is a great movement to do at work if you don't want to get down on the floor and you are trying to wake yourself up and get some more focus back into the system. Or you're just trying to mobilize your neck and your spine and you just want to stay young, supple, and mobile. Like I said, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.